Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us. Today's presentation is on corporate trustees, partnerships made easy, and how the life insurance trust company partners with financial advisors. Before we get started, I wanted to go over just a little bit on who is Life Insurance Trust Company, or LITCO for short. LITCO is a South Dakota chartered trust company, chartered back in 2017. We are a single asset focused trust company focusing exclusively on irrevocable life insurance trusts, or ILITs as you may know them. We have a team of life insurance experts, a team of trust administrative experts, and a large back office of support personnel. We administer over 5,000 life insurance trusts with an aggregate death benefit of more than 17 billion and have over 7,000 policies under management. LITCO does not market or sell any insurance. We are completely independent and objective and have no alliance to any carriers at all. Our team speaking today would be myself. I'm Tony McKillip, President of Life Insurance Trust Company. On with me is Amanda Einwechter, New Business Development Manager, and Derek Wilkinson, Customer Experience Specialist. An overview of some of LITCO's services. This is not an exhaustive list, but some of the things that we provide to our clients. Policy reviews. So on an annual basis, we order updated illustrations and do a complete policy review as well as a trust review. These are shared with clients and yourself as advisors. Trust management reporting. This is our trust account report that outlines the health of the policy, as well as annual trust accountings that we send out to our clients, and these are made and advisors. All of these documents are also made available to you through our online portal. Trust administration. We have a team of trust officers in South Dakota who administer the trust in accordance with the terms of the trust agreement, can handle all discretionary distributions, policy-related questions, distributions upon death, and those types of things. We have a policy remediation department. 34% of all policies are in fear of lapsing before life expectancy. Most people don't know this, and we have a whole team that works with clients, grantors, beneficiaries, and advisors to come up with options on these policies. Everything ranging from reducing death benefits, looking at different funding levels, premium optimization, policy replacements. All available options are outlined to the client. Policy management. We handle all aspects of policy management. This includes sending out premium due notices, cash management of the funds, sending funds to the carrier, ordering illustrations, looking at remediation options, and things of that nature. And then finally, we partner, we consider ourselves professional services, meaning we're very advisor friendly, working directly with clients, attorneys, CPAs, and advisors to make sure that this is in line with their overall estate plan and objectives. I'll turn it over to Amanda now to talk about some of the advantages of the Life Insurance Trust Company.
Thank you, Tony. As Tony mentioned, we are the largest manager of life insurance trusts in the country and only focus on ILITs. LITCO is independent and objective, so we don't market or sell life insurance, ensuring our policy management is conflict-free. Additionally, you'll have the right of first refusal. So once a policy funds, the referring institution has the first right of refusal to take the funded trust back. Headquartered in South Dakota, LITCO takes advantage of favorable state tax laws that benefit both grantors and beneficiaries. Some of the benefits are listed below, but won't read them off, but certainly a lot of advantages. And if you'd like to learn more, we'd be happy to line up a call with you. LITCO has a structured process to ensure timely premium payments and proper tracking. Initially, a gift notice is sent out 60 days before premium is due. followed by a second notice if the gift is not received within 30 days, along with phone calls if necessary. Once a gift is made, we'll promptly send a crummy notice to the beneficiaries and send the premium payment to the insurance carrier 14 days prior to the due date. We will also have a premium confirmation process. So 10 days post-payment, we follow up with the insurance carrier to verify that the premium has been correctly applied. This takes us to our management insurance on the policies. Our team offers comprehensive policy reviews designed to enhance your client's insurance policies. We begin with carrier document retrieval, where we pursue a current in-force illustration and annual statements, along with alternative funding scenarios that may be necessary. Our insight report then assesses the health of your client's policies, providing detailed ratings and explanations. Based on the findings from the insight report, the policy may need remediation, which might involve adjustments to funding, statement of understandings, changes in coverage, or even policy replacements. Throughout this process, you as the advisor will be kept informed. LITCO is readily available to answer any questions from both advisors and grantors, ensuring that support is always accessible, whether through annual reviews or more frequent interactions. Our collaboration with you continues beyond the establishment of the ILIT. We prioritize a long-term relationship, offering support to enhance your service to clients. You can expect regular updates regarding your client's trust status, as well as direct access to LITCO trust officers for any questions or concerns. This facilitates quick resolutions and provides guidance whenever needed. Additionally, we'll provide valuable educational resources, including blogs and webinars, focused on the latest in ILIT management. Now that we've covered the basics of working with LITCO, Derek is going to take over to give you a brief introduction to our online portal.
Thanks, Amanda, and hello, everybody. I do want to take a little time to introduce you to another asset that we provide, which is our online account LITCO portal, available to grantors, beneficiaries, and advisors. You can access all of the trust information for your clients and any other trust or client that you're associated with within the portal. You can view policy details, trust cash balance of the accounts. You can view all of the reports and download them for your own, and connect from any device, anywhere, anytime. And with that said, I wanted to take you on a quick tour of what you can see inside the LITCO portal. First off, I wanted to point out that you can easily access and find the portal by visiting our website, lifeinsurancetrustcompany.co.com, and you'll see the portal login button up here. That will take you to the login screen where you'll enter your email address and your password. Now that you have logged into the portal, you will be located in the dashboard screen. This will have a full listing of all the trusts that you're associated with, highlighted in blue. If you want to gain more information about any of these trusts, simply click on the name of the trust, and that will take you to that trust's overview screen. In the overview screen, you'll have full access to all policies that are included, all of the trust details, along with all contacts associated with this trust, including yourself as an advisor, the grantors, all beneficiaries, and your trust officer and administrator here at LITCO. If you want to see any of the documents that have been uploaded for that particular trust, you can click on this Documents tab up here. They are all sorted. You can organize them however you like and bulk download or download single items by simply clicking on the PDF. Back to the trust, you can do one other option, and that is to monitor any transaction history. You can see what your clients have done, payments that have made, or any payments that may be coming up. Finally, if you do need any support, you can always find the support tab up here in the right, contact us by phone, or feel free to reach out at info@lifeinsurancetrustco.com.
Thank you, Derek. One last thing to review is how to open up a new trust account. When a new client is looking to name LITCO as original trustee or successor trustee, we work closely with you to establish LITCO as the trustee of their ILIT. Just a quick overview of how that process works. We'll conduct our initial pre-acceptance review, which includes an in-depth review of the trust agreement, along with any modifications and a review of all insurance policies. This takes just a few days to complete. During this time, we will also prepare all the necessary paperwork to establish LITCO as the trustee that the grantor will need to sign. Once the ILIT is established, we will create an account here at LITCO. There will be an account number signed, and it will be fully prepared for fund transfers. If there is an existing policy held in the trust, we'll work to update the trustee at the carrier level. If there will be a newly issued policy, we will work with you and the agent to get the policy issued and initially funded. At that time, you'll have access to our online portal to view the trust account and important information as it becomes available. I will also introduce you to the trust officer who will work with you and the client moving forward, and who will maintain regular communication, providing updates and addressing any concerns promptly.
Thank you, Amanda. This concludes our presentation. We have our contact information listed below. For any existing ILITs that you may have with us, I would be the direct point of contact. For any new business, Amanda Einwechter will be the main point. And for